Hello everyone. So today we discuss about the safety in ladder. My name is Shiv Shankar Patel. So what is the ladder? Type of ladder? What hazard could be happen to wrong using for the ladder? Okay. So we know about the ladders. So let's start. So the first topic is the ladder. So what is the ladder? Ladder is very important and essential tool to our house, industrial and every area. So this basically the ladder means it help to the move upward and downward. Okay, in working in the different heights. Okay, and these areas. So this is the ladder. Simple definition. So before you go into the type of ladder, we know about the most common cause of the ladder accident. So ladder accident, how it could be happen. First of all, overreaching of the ladder, failure to the secure ladder, climbing on handed, standing on the top rung or platform, using worn or damaged ladder, leaving tool on ladder, missing the last step of the ladder when climbing down, their 3 point contact is not there, the ladder was not firm in level ground, the ladder was not right size for the right job, overreaching while the ladders. So this is some common cause of the ladder. So next we start from the type of ladder. The type of ladder, the fixed ladder and portable ladder. So in portable ladder there are some type ups there. The stock ladder we are using for the general industrial and general home appliance. Step ladder is also. Rope ladder is for the painting purpose. Rope ladder is basically for using for the firefighting. Extension ladder is also industrial and home appliance. Textile ladder is painting areas. So this is some type of ladders. So we start for the fixed ladder. The fixed ladder, so every 9 meter above one platform you should be given. Okay, the distance between rung not more than the 300 mm. Rungs means, what is the rungs? Rungs is basically the steps. Okay, we are we assist to the ascending and descending. So this is called the rungs. So rungs means usually in the round in the cross sections, while the clit in the usually are rectangular and cross section. Okay, so these are the rungs. So this is the fixed ladder. So this, what is the next point is the cage. See, cage. The cage is the person who must be climb the ladder. The cage is the protection system. Okay, before you going, you should be check for the cage system is there or not. Okay, in fixed ladder. So every in fixed ladder, every 9 meter above one platform, you should be provided. So what hazard in fixed ladder? Wrong placement of the ladder, non-sufficient or incoming, missing of the cage, failure of the joint means riveted joint you should be provided, missing of the landing platform, provide the platform, gap between cage and ladder design must be done. The portable ladder, the first is the stock ladder. The overall length shall be not exceed in the 10 meter in stock ladder. Stock ladder 3 mm height, the distance between adjacent pipe. Okay, the width must be 290 mm. In stock ladder, the basically very important, we should be give the proper gripping system. Proper sole you should be provided. Okay, so this is very some points. So rung joint failure. Okay, rungs mean step joint failure. So you should be give for the recommendation for the riveted joint. Slip of the sole, the provide rubber soles in downside you should be give. Slip tree fall, use 3 point contact. Means 3 point contact means 2 hand, 1 leg, otherwise 2 leg, 1 hand. Wrong inclination, they should be give in the 75.5 degrees angle. Fall from the height, the body harness you should be wear, the 3521. So next point is the step ladder. The overall step ladder not exceed in 6 meter. Okay, the rungs, the minimum between the side rail and the top not less than the 300 mm. So this is the important points. So 300 mm होनी चाहिए. Next point. So what is the hazard? Fall of the ladder is the proper spread. Okay. Fall from the height. Landing platform must be flat. Slip trip fall. Use 3 point contact safety. Okay. And safety harness also. Rusting of the ladder in proper maintenance and coating means you should be, if you using for the steel or the iron rod, so you should paint it. Okay. Slip left the ladder, lock or stopper you should be provided, flat rungs you should be provided, the pivoted joint you should be provided. So next point is the rope ladder. The rope ladder is the rope diameter is the 25 mm. Okay, the flank is the step. Okay, the flank means step, which the flank or step. It is the same. Okay, it not less than in the 35 mm. Rope to the pass the hole in the rung. In rope ladder you should be provide the proper eyes. So eyes का use क्या होता है? What is the use of the eyes? So eyes is used to clamp to the one hooks. Okay, so this is the use. So this is the step how to prepare to the rope ladder. The first step you should be you take for the two ropes. Okay, and two ropes you have to first rope you have to wound for the snacks area type say. Okay, next then you third steps you see, and fourth this is a fifth and the sixth step. So these are some steps to how to prepare for the rope ladder. So next rope ladder. So the breaking of the rope, suitable rope selection, defect in rope, maintenance and regular inspection, loose joint properly. Okay, and wet condition is the dry condition is also. Rope ladder, it is the use of the firefighting. It is a use for the firefighting. Okay, so this is the 10 to 20 feet is overall length. The extension ladder, the overall length shall be not exceeding the 18 meter. The sliding shall not exceed the 2 in numbers. The extension must be provided by the proper locking and guiding system. The in extension ladder you should be also provide for the rubber sole. Okay, and the rung should be riveted joint. The failure of joint means proper lock and guide system you should be provide. Electrical shock means insulation you should be provide. Okay, use handrail also. The proper ladder condition, inspection and maintenance also provide. Storage of the ladder, do not store in the open area. So this is some safety measure and hazard. So the next point is the trestle ladder. So it is a difference, is very major difference. The minimum distance between the side must be not less than 300 mm. Okay, the distance between two rungs is the 450. In previous the step ladder is they are in the 300 mm. Okay, so it's the locking system you should be provide for the trestle ladder. The trestle ladder is the slip trip fall. Use 3-point contact in safety harness. Fall from the ladder, proper spread. Okay, physical damage, proper storage, fall ladders, rubber grips you should be, electrical hazard and insulation you should be get. The some PPEs are in construction side. Okay, so some IS code, the helmet 2925, harness 3521, earmuff 8520, face protection goggle 2521, feed leg 5852, hand protection 6994, and respiratory marks 15322. So the design and construction, why important for the ladders? So before you purchase the ladder you should be check for the designing and construction, which type of the construction will happen. So first of all the manufacturer are the essential step is the first of all planning. Then after designing of the ladder, what ladder you should be using for the current situation, the construction, which type of material, the steel, wood and rope, whatever, and use how to use is the instruction you should be in. The maintenance you also after using you should be proper maintenance you should be given from the training also. And decommissioning after using, how to store and where you store to the ladders. So the design of construction, the design of ladder shall be IS code is the 3696. Ladder classification, there are some types there. So the more major important is the type 1, type 2 and type 3. The type 1 is the industrial use. There is the 250 pound. The maximum weight is the 250 pound. Type 2 medium duty is the 2 to 5 pound in the commercial use, and type 3 is the light duty 200 pound in the domestic use. So this is the some importance. There are some colors is also available. So before you going to purchase you should be check for this 3 colors and this weight. The application of the ladder is the painting, construction site, electrical connection, confined space, excavation, evacuation of the problem, okay, sewage work area, confined space entry, okay, some this is, yeah. So what is the safety use of the ladder? So the user shall always the maintain in the 3-point contact, okay, 2 leg, 1 hand, otherwise 2 hand, 1 leg. Remember the acronym the climb, okay, climb the full form. Choose the right ladder. C for choose the right ladder. L for look the damage or missing part. I for ensure the safe and stable setup. M for move carefully using 3-point contact. And B for be a safety expert, not a statics. Okay, so this is the climb. So this is 7 step the ladder safety. First is the extend ladder in 3 inch above the surface. Tie up the ladder at the top. Okay, so this is very important. 3-point contact at the all time when in the climbing of the ladder. Yes, previous slide we already discussed 2 hand 1 leg, yeah, 2 leg 1 hand. Don't use if ladder has been broken of the rungs. So rung is very important. Rungs means steps. Never carry tool or material on the ladder. Okay, before you next point, secure ladder at the bottom. So bottom is the we should be given from the proper gripping system. For every 4 inch height, put in ladder in 1 inch back. यदि हम जितने जितने आगे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो हमको पीछे लेके जाना पड़ेगा 1 इंच. ओके, if 4 inch upside, then we have to back in 1 inch. So this is a 3-point contact. So this is some good practice for the ladder. So is a clamp to the window, these ladders. Okay, so this is some goods. So the safety use of the ladder. No ladder shall be placed against the window, panel, sashes, and the glasses. Okay, this is important. When ascending and descending, there shall be there shall be the worker move in the face direction is the straight. Okay, and use both hand and both leg also. Where the ladder is used against the SS at the working platform, ensure that is extended 1 meter above. It is very very important. 1 meter above होनी ही चाहिए the working platform. A ladder is designed to support in the one person only. Okay, the ladder place should be always 75.5 degree inclination. See, so this is the inclination. Okay, so this is important point. So this is the ladder safety. So next point, one more important point, the fly section. So this fly section, the fly section is the part of the ladder that slide up and down, which almost double the height of the ladder. So this is the fly section. So here is some checklist: loose or broken strap of the ladder, crack, split, and the broken upside in the braces in the ladder, loose land, screw, bolt, and other metal parts. So it's repair. Okay, date of repair, it should be check out. So these are some checklist. Damage, okay, damage of the ladder you should be check. The corrosion or not corrosion you should check. Lose the bend in the hinge spread. Okay, next point is the defective locks. Okay, they do not properly while in extended. Next point is the missing one in broken. The missing of the cage is also important. The base section is you should not provide in the rubber sole, so you should be checked for this. The joint should be in rungs are not riveted joint or riveted joint, you should be checked. So this is some important point of the ladder. Okay, so thank you so much.